Hello friends, in this video I will show how to send a file by email using Gmail. Open your Gmail account, click on Compose, enter the address where you want to send. Subject, now here just you have to click on Attach File, select your file, click on Open, wait for few seconds till this downloading will complete. Another way you can insert a link. You can give a link for different platform. You can change text to display. Then test this link. Click on OK. You can insert emoji. You can insert files using Drive. Insert a photo. Then click on this blue button, Send. That's it. So this is the way you can send a file by email using Gmail. Thanks for watching.